Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, and we are now here to provide a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of October, 2024, our system has classified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.61. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.25%. This means an average return of 0.08% per day since it received the buy candidate designation. The ETF is currently situated within a weak rising trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 9.55% over the coming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 4.69% to 11.53%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 25.93% over the next 12 months, with a possible return between 16.87% and 36.51%. This would result in a price range between $578.99 and $676.26 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for QQQ. The QQQ ETF price gained a fraction of a percent on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, rising from $495.32 to $495.40. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a short pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by approximately 0.69%, with a day low of $495.10 and a day high of $498.52. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 0.42% for this time frame. Volume decreased on the last day by 18 million shares, with a total of 20 million shares bought and sold for around $9,930,000,000. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, and the lowest price was $346.45. Currently, the price is 1.61%, or $8.12, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. In recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ Trust Exchange Traded Fund, several key events and trends are shaping market perception and potential stock price movement. The 17th Annual Food Network New York City Wine and Food Festival, prominently presented by Invesco QQQ, drew 45,000 attendees, highlighting the brand's strong community presence, which can enhance investor confidence. The visibility from such events often translates to increased interest and potential growth for affiliated assets. As earnings season progresses, attention is on technology sector results, which are crucial since QQQ holds a significant concentration of tech stocks. Positive earnings reports could fuel a rally in QQQ, emphasizing its growth trajectory. However, views on valuation remain mixed. While QQQ continues to outperform many actively managed funds, concerns about being overvalued could trigger caution among investors, particularly as market sentiment shifts. The entry of billionaires into QQQ signals underlying confidence, but it is essential to remain mindful that market dynamics can change quickly. Moreover, discussions around emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and shifts in internet advertising spending will be critical as they influence the earnings potential of the companies within QQQ. This growing focus on tech dynamics could either propel QQQ higher if results are favorable or hinder performance if earnings fall short of expectations. In the short term, continuing positive earnings narratives may bolster QQQ's stock price, while any signs of economic strain or disappointing results could dampen enthusiasm. Long-term, the ETF's capacity to adapt to evolving tech landscapes and maintain strong cash flows will be decisive in determining its overall investment appeal. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Today, the exchange-traded fund presents mixed signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, and so far, it has decreased by approximately 0.422%. Additional declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is an active sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The QQQ ETF, however, shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal exists, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support may be found at the levels of $493.89 and $485.39. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day, despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger reveals a buy signal from 11 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 32 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average reveals a buy signal from 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 235 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is an inherent risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the fund to drop to the next support level. In this instance, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered to be quite low for this stock. Over the past day, the exchange-traded fund moved $3.41 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.69%. Over the last week, the exchange-traded fund has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 1.12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate that there are low expectations for the company's future performance, or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $495.42. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ meets its first support level at $448.75. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $478.53, reflecting a decline of 3.4%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal identified from a pivot top that occurred 10 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good purchase? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of October, we anticipate that the QQQ will open up 94 cents, starting at a price of $496.34. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.